The main pVAC module is tailored towards pVACseq output, so we like to draw your attention to other modules to be used with other neoantigen prediction data. In the left menu, we have custom data visualization. This module can handle any TSV with annotated neoantigens. We have output from 3 tools, VAXRing, neopredpipe, and antigen garnish as examples. Once you have uploaded a TSV, you get to choose how you would like to group and sort your candidates. For example, to mimic pVACview's main module, you could choose to group by variant and sort by binding score. If we select antigen garnish input, we can choose to group by the MHC allele and sort by the ensemble score. You also have the freedom to choose what features to display for your group of peptides. By default, all features are selected, which we will keep for this example. When we click Visualize, we are taken to a view very similar to the main pVACview module. There is a main table of our groups of peptides. Since we are grouped by MHC, we see 3 groups for each HLA allele in this dataset. To investigate a candidate, you click a row and the detailed data table displays all the peptides in the same group and are sorted by the feature we selected, in this case the ensemble score. There is also a dynamic scatter plot that can be used to visualize the whole dataset. You can choose the feature to use for the x-axis, y-axis, color, and size. The x and y axis can be transformed by natural log, log 2, log 10, and square root. You can also adjust the scale to see a specific range of data. Hovering over the points will display all values for the chosen variable. If you would like to save the plot, you can click this camera icon, which will download a PNG. For a summary of this information, please see the Tutorials tab. For further documentation, please refer to the pVAC Tools GitHub page and the Read the Docs website.